2, 1, go.
I'm a GNOME user, and why I use GNOME because it's beautiful and it's charming. I use GNOME for my daily use because it is very beautiful and it's designed for daily use. Thank you.
My name is Yulian Shu. I'm a GNOME user, and I love GNOME because I can use many of the GNOME tools like GIMP and Inkscape. I did my web design with Inkscape, and it's fantastic. And GIMP is very strong, have a very strong functions. That's all.
Hello, my name is Xu Jiachang. I am a GNOME user. I find GNOME very cool and awesome. And the most important thing is it's free. I can hack it. I can see the source code, and I can also borrow some source code. I use GNOME for developing, writing documents, watching movie, everything.
Hi, I'm Anish and I'm a GNOME user. I use GNOME for everything, for chat and email. And why do I use GNOME? I use GNOME because it is one of the best free software which is ever produced. Thank you.
I am a GNOME user. Why do I use GNOME? Because I like it. I use GNOME for my life. That's all.
I am GNOME user.
I'm a GNOME user. Why do I use GNOME? I use GNOME because it's much faster than the Unity, the default of Ubuntu.
I'm a GNOME user. I use GNOME because it's beautiful and efficient. I use GNOME for everyday life.
We are a GNOME user. Why do we use GNOME? We use GNOME for internet access.
I'm a GNOME user. Why do I use GNOME? I use GNOME for my developing server and connect SSH is very difficult. So GNOME is easy for my developing process.
I am a GNOME user. I use GNOME because it's free and it's cool. I use for play game like Super Toss.
I'm a GNOME user. Why do I use GNOME? Because I major computer information engineering, so I have a soccer of DNA, and I have to study Linux and use for GNOME study. Thank you.
I am a GNOME user. I use GNOME for free because it's free and studying. I use GNOME for developing my homework and internet and gaming.
I am a GNOME user. I use Fedora with GNOME because I develop interface utility and internet access. GNOME is good.
I'm a GNOME user.
I'm a GNOME user. Why do I use GNOME? I use GNOME for very simple and web shopping and programming. Very easy and simple. Thank you.
What?
I hate this video. Yeah, I love Linux, and so I use GNOME.
I'm a GNOME user. Why do I use GNOME? I use GNOME for just fun.
Hello, I was a GNOME user. Currently I use Ubuntu and Unity, but I still use a lot of technology, I guess, in my distribution. And I started using GNOME in 2002 or something like that. I started using it mainly because of the GIMP, and then more and more programs, applications I use in my daily routine. But to be honest, they were free, and on Windows they weren't. And it was kind of nice that these applications back then would run on Windows, so I could use them on Windows, try them out, and then at some point I was using so many GNOME applications that it was easy to use GNOME for everything. Yeah, that lasted quite a while. And then at some point, to be honest, I couldn't find a good Fedora, I couldn't find a good GNOME distribution. Fedora wasn't convincing, so I switched to Ubuntu. But I still use GNOME for, I still use the GIMP, I still use GNOME Terminal, I still use the applications, I guess. And yeah, why do I use it? I think at this point I just got used to it. I'm not really thinking about it. It's kind of natural to use it. Anything else would be an effort to switch to. So I don't want to go back to Windows. I'm not interested in using macOS. So of course, yeah, I use GNOME applications.
I'm a GNOME user. And I use GNOME because it's already installed in my system. And I use GNOME for my daily work, like documentation, internet browsing, and for everything. It's great.
I'm a GNOME user.
I'm a GNOME user. Why do I use GNOME? I use GNOME for development in my company and my desktop environment. Music, movie watching. I love GNOME.
Hi, I'm a GNOME user. I use GNOME for my daily work. So I do coding, I do documenting, I do anything. And also my other private life. So that's it.
I am a GNOME user. GNOME gives me freedom. GNOME is very user-friendly and it looks good. GNOME is very good. I use GNOME for translating GNOME. I am a GNOME Japanese translator. Thank you.
Okay, I'm a GNOME user and GNOME developer. And the reason why I use GNOME is a true open source platform and free desktop. So, and also I use GNOME for developing software and also writing documents and painting some stuff. And so it's very useful for me, for everyone. Thank you.
I'm a GNOME user.
I'm a GNOME user because I use GNOME because I love it. And I use GNOME for work, in home, for everything.
Okay, I'm a GNOME user and I use GNOME for powerful and simplicity and done. Okay, I use GNOME for internet and make a document and so on. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I am a GNOME user. Power to GNOME. Why do I use GNOME? I use GNOME first because I can read all of the source code, and I learned to write source code while using original Red Hat desktops and original GNOME 1 with all of the crazy drawers and buttons, and now I only use GNOME to compile and surf the web and write code. And that's it.
I am a GNOME user and use it every day.
Hi, I'm a GNOME user, and I use GNOME because I believe in it. And I think we should create the best free operating system possible, and I think that the core of that is going to be GNOME. So yeah, I use it because I write GNOME, and I use it because I think it's the best way to interface with the computer. I think it has the best UI available, and I think it's simply the future of how you interface with your computer.
I am a GNOME user. I use GNOME for everything. I use it for business, I use it for presentations. I love the fact that I go all over the world, and often at conferences I am the only one who's able to just plug in my laptop and it works. Everyone says, wow, that's really pretty, and it looks so good and it works so well, and that's GNOME. So really, you can use GNOME for everything, and I guess that's it.
I'm a GNOME user and developer, and I use GNOME because it's the best free desktop.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, go. I'm a GNOME user. Why do I use GNOME? I use GNOME for internet and video and more photo and programming. So many.
I'm a GNOME user, and why do I use I use GNOME because I like the UI, and I use GNOME for just kind of developing environment. That's all.
GNOME users. What do I use GNOME? Because it's the fantastic desktop environment on Linux, and I use GNOME for my desktop and also my phone. Yeah, thank you.
Hello, I'm a GNOME user, and I love GNOME, and I use GNOME for 5 years already. Yeah, that's it. Please.
Hey, I'm Toby, and I'm a GNOME user. I use GNOME for my everyday life. I browse the web, I email, I chat with my friends, I organize my calendar. That's all what I use GNOME for. And I love GNOME because it's a free desktop, it's usable, and it's very easy to use.
A GNOME user. I use GNOME for everything in my life, for life and internet and something else. I use GNOME because I think GNOME is free, and I like the freedom and the free software.
User, and then through using GNOME, I know that actually I'm using a system of my own choice. I don't really need to rely on Microsoft or Apple. It is developed by the community, and it is a good example to tell people that it's not just that we have to pay lots of money and buy some software that we have no control of. We can rely on the community, and we can help each other, and then we can have great software.
Hi, I'm a GNOME user.
Yep.
I like GNOME because GNOME let me know what the meaning of we are the world. Thank you.
And why do I use GNOME? Because GNOME is GNOME gives me experience to use, and I use GNOME for everything that I can do with computers, such as watching movie, web surfing, or playing game, and so on. Thank you.
I'm a GNOME user. I use GNOME for everything, for my life. Why do I use GNOME? I use GNOME for everything. For example, web browsing, programming, playing the video, and
Yeah. Yes, thank you.